The Swabian Alb, a natural treasure in the southwest of Germany. A region traditionally characterized by agriculture. Here is the headquarters of Biofa. As a pioneer in biological plant protection, Biofa offers farmers a comprehensive range of products from biopesticides to organic fertilizers. Biofa plant protection products are registered in many countries and already in use worldwide. Our employees work daily to ensure a comprehensive range of products that best meet the needs and requirements of the growers at all times.
We are passionate for the protection of the environment, and we do everything to have motivated and creative employees. Together, we overcome the hurdle of regulatory affairs.
Biofa's product range around arable farming, vegetable gardening, fruit growing, viticulture and ornamental plants is unique in the world and a leader in supporting the production of organic food. We attach great importance to personal contact with our farmers and are happy to provide competent and on-site advice to ensure quick answers to urgent questions.
Farmers across Europe rely on our organic products for residue-free and healthy food. Sustainability and ecological behavior are our values and determine our strategy.
To meet the needs of German farmers, Biofa products are always available in sufficient quantities in our high-rack warehouse and leave our premises the same day the order is received. In this way, we guarantee constant availability of all products, fast processing, and above all, fast delivery.